Hi, this is the Fuel Trader. Let's review the action for the last 2 days. This is April heat 15-minute chart. This is 1 day here, 1 day, and then 1 day. On Friday I did get a sales signal that came in, so we did get short Friday going into the weekend. There's a nice window here that needs to be closed, so heat just definitely is trying to get to close this window. We did stay short heat over the weekend. Opened up Monday, gapped open, and went sailing higher, and I just looked at the charts and just said, this just cannot last. This is not just going to last. So I bit the bullet, stayed short, didn't get out, sweated a whole bunch. Anyway, the market opened up today, the 4th, and just exhausted itself. Just could not sustain the momentum. Came down to the 280 area, and I decided, since I was in a heavy loss position yesterday, I was just gonna break even or try to make just a little bit of cash on the trade to get out and wait for the next signal. So I closed right at break even, made a little bit of money on the lots at 280. Feel like it would bounce there. It went right through 280 though, and bounced right above the window that's trying to be closed, and it bounced twice today above that window, but I was already out short. This would have been a fantastic area to take profits on everything, but I was already out. Remove that. So basically I broke even, just about break even on heat. Nothing happening there. If heat comes in this window tomorrow, I could possibly get a buy signal in heat tomorrow, so let's just wait and see what happens. Now let's look at April RBOB, the 15-minute chart. This is the textbook example of the way this market loves to trade. Here was Friday. Thursday we did get a long signal, but the market just could not sustain anything Friday. So I got out at break even Friday, but wouldn't you know it, would have been great to have stayed long, because the market just took off and filled this window at 272 that I've been saying for days now. This window needs to be filled. And this window is all the way back to the 21st, and you can see that the market got below the window and tried to go to it 1, 2, 3 twice. The third time it did fill the window and just stayed in this window all day Monday. Now Monday I did miss this trade. I was had been sick Monday, really couldn't watch the charts like I would like to have. But this would have been a fantastic area to get short. The market just got in this really tight channel. Doesn't happen very often, kind of like Friday here. A real tight channel. It's going to break out. Potentially was more to the downside to break out. We just needed to pull back in this market. So it would have gotten short here when the market closed below the support line, then took off. But we wasn't here to book it, so I can't log it, but that would have been a good short there. We could have rode it all the way down till this window's been open for days also. The market bounced off this window today and then filled it later in the day, and that window was all the way back, I believe, to the 14th, a little window there. And look how the market came to it. It took a while. The market did come, bounced off that window, and did close that window. So I'm going to remove this. These windows are now closed, and we'll see what happens in RBOB now. For tomorrow, I do have potential buy coming in tomorrow, so we'll wait and see what happens. Let me see if I need to update the heat chart. That's right, still got this window here that could be filled, so we'll look and see. Crude oil, I do have a trade, possibly a buy in crude oil setting up, so I'll keep those posted, and we'll look at it tomorrow. Have a good day.